think changing your eBay name is a headache? Watch this. You can do it in under 2 minutes. All you're going to do is log into your eBay account. You're going to go in the top left-hand corner, go to account settings. It's going to take you right here, and then click on that personal information button. Right when you click on personal information, it's going to take you right over here, and then you can see your username, and this is the thing that you're going to change. So you're going to click edit. Right now you can see ours is howdy123, and then once you click edit, you can change it to whatever you want. And that's it, pretty much in a nutshell. Now you can see you can only change it every 30 days, so keep that in mind. You cannot have the same username as somebody else, right? And then see what you want to change it to. Thrifty Deal of Today, right? That's an example. If you want to just have something that's vague but broad, this is somebody that's a top seller. If you just sell maybe cents, eCent Show, that's another name that's doing pretty well. Or just something that's just completely random. All in one, 1956. It doesn't really matter what your name is, but it could potentially help with credibility. Up to you at the end of the day. People just want to buy and they're looking at your seller rating. So keep that in mind. But that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.